So we are going to go on and get started here. We're in period 6. You launch into your laptop, all right? So once you launch into your laptop, then we go into Word. If you're not there, you need to follow me, okay? If you're not following me, that means that once I finish, I'm going to look at your laptop and your laptop should look like mine. Okay, we are in 8, Module 8, using collaborating, integration, and charts. And then let's click on Learn It. And we are in the SAM Textbook Project 8.1. I do understand there's a 8.2 also. We're going to click on 8.1. And then it's going to come up like this. Then you're going to click on your Start. And you're going to come over here and you're going to download all the files. Okay. Now I come up here and I double check. I have the I compare this to what's over here. I have the SC_W8. I have the support file. It gives me 2 support files. But notice it did not give me the instructions. So you have to click on that also, okay, to get your textbook up. You understand? Then you click here at the top of the textbook on the blue line and hold your 4 windows down, hit your right arrow key to get that up on one side. Then I go back here, I click on my downloads, and let me just go into my downloads. But sometimes it's kind of hard to follow where open that one. And I'm going to close out some of these files, extra files that I don't need, because we are opening up new files, okay? So that you don't get confused. All right, so we have our textbook open on one side and this one open on the other, and here's your textbook. We click Enable Editing, like so. Record. All right, this is Dr. Davis coming back to you. We are working on Module 8 using collaboration, integration, and charts. So we have our memo up, our starting memo on the left side. We have our textbook up on the right side. So let's go on and scroll down here. It says a memo is an informal document that businesses use to correspond to others. So you should be moving with me. The project in this module uses Word to produce the memo shown in Figure 8. Okay, to produce this memo, right? Right now, that memo does not have what? A chart on it, all right? Okay, so we're going to produce that memo. When I scroll, you scroll. So it says you will perform the following general task as you progress through this module. It didn't say start doing this. It says we're going to do track changes in the memo. We're going to review the track changes. We're going to link an Excel worksheet to a Word document. We're going to chart a Word table using Word's chart contextual tabs, and we're going to create and publish a blog. Click on the right arrow. To start Word and specify settings, if you are using a computer to step through the project in this module and you want your screens to match the figures in this book, you should change it to this resolution. We're not going to do that. We are at number 1. Raise your hand if you're with me. Start Word and create a blank document in the Word window. If necessary, maximize the window. We're not going to start a blank document. If the print layout button on the status bar is not selected, click it so that your screen is in print layout view. What they're saying is make sure that right here where I am pointing, your screen is in print layout view. Right here. Can you see? All right. Number 2, if the print layout button, Number 3, if the show hide button is not visible, we want to make it visible. So to get to the show hide button, we click on the home tab. It tells you. We go to the paragraph group. So you should be watching me. And then you click on this. After each step, give me a thumbs up. That lets me know you've got that taken care of. Number 4, to display the page the same width as the document window, if necessary, click the page width, which is in the View tab, the Zoom group, and page width. Verify that the ruler checkbox is showing. So to do that, we click on the View tab, we go to the Show, and we click on Ruler. Right now, there's nothing up here on the top bar or the left. If we click Ruler, your ruler appears. Okay, so now it says if you're using a mouse and you want your screens to match the figures in the book, verify that. We're not going to do that. Click on the right arrow. Reviewing a document. Now we're getting ready to review a document, okay? Word provides many tools that allow users to collaborate on a document. One set of collaboration tools within Word allows you to track changes in a document and review the changes. That is, one computer user can create a document and another user can make changes in the same document. Okay? So one user can create a document, another user can make changes in the same document. Those changes then appear on the screen with options that allow the originator, who is the author, to accept or reject changes. So if I create the original document and then you create the same document and you make a change, I am the one who accepts it or rejects the changes. Understood? With another collaboration tool, you can compare and merge two documents. So we can have two documents up and we can compare them and we can merge them, like taking an Excel from one document and putting it in another. The ribbon and the screen resolution, you should be following me. To illustrate Word's collaboration tools, this section follows these general steps. Open a document to be reviewed, not yet. Track changes in the document. Accept and reject the track changes, so this is what we're going to do. Compare the reviewed document and combine the original document. Hopefully we can get through that. To open a document and save it with a file name, we are here. Okay? This is where we are. You here? Okay. Assume your coworker has created a draft of a memo and is sending it to you for review. The file SC, if I click here, SC, it shows right here, underscore WD underscore 81, and with my name, okay, docs, is located in the data files. Please, I forgot, I can't see where I am. Please contact your instructor for information about accessing the data files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this particular document and get it to you in Teams, and then you're going to upload it and open it. All right? So I am going to